Hi there. In this video I'm going to show you how Keynote can be an excellent design tool when you want to create a quick prototype of your app idea. So what's really needed to create a prototype? The first thing is you need to be able to make shapes. Then you would also want to create screens from those shapes. And the most important one is that you need to be able to connect the screens. So Keynote ticks all of these boxes. So why not use a tool that is pre-installed on every Mac? The learning curve will be close to zero, since everybody used Keynote once in their life. And the bonus part of using Keynote is that you can create the presentation and the prototype at once. So I came up with an idea that we can use to demonstrate the power of Keynote. So we have a business that creates lockers primarily for schools. Our R&D lab developed the future of lockers. You won't need a key to unlock your locker. You can just use your phone. Our task is to pitch this idea to the stakeholders of the business and demonstrate the app idea. So with this fictive idea in mind, I've already done some sketching and I created a Keynote file. So let's see what we got. I've already created the screens that I want. So this is the main screen. This is where you can open your locker. This is the screen that you will see when you have clicked the button Open Locker. The third screen is the charger screen, and here you have your settings. So here comes the interesting part. In Keynote, when you right click on a component, you have the option to add a link. With this, you can connect every screen you want. So this we want to link to the second screen. Now let's see what that does. If you now press this button, it goes to the screen we want. So now I'm going to do this for every button in this design. So, I've set up the prototype. Let's see what we've got. So this is the first screen. We can open the locker and get back to the initial state. We can go to the charger screen and see the battery percentage of our device that's charging. And we can go to the settings. So now we have created the prototype and the presentation at once. I hope that I have shown you an easy way to visualize your idea and show the power of prototyping in Keynote. Thanks for watching and I hope to see you next time.